You end up finding your niche. It's journeys. Like the journey is multiple journeys in itself. And we were talking about earlier how, you know, a lot of people in the entrepreneurial space or motivated speakers, they don't touch on the fact that, you know, at the end of the day, if you're just starting out, your paycheck, that's your income. But as a woman, if you're on your own, you have to sustain, right? So when you're so passionate about creating something for yourself or creating a better environment for yourself, it is easy to get stuck in an industry or get stuck in a job, like you're saying, that isn't right for you. But I think touching on, and what more people need to touch on is, okay, you can work that job for a paycheck, but know that it's temporary. Start a side hustle, start something else that's in the industry you want to get into.
Network.
Exactly, network. If you are so motivated to get out of it, put those hours in, continue, you know, take maybe half that first paycheck and invest it in yourself to get a website done. Invest it into learning something, right? So I don't think that that's talked about enough, where it is this constant evolution and movement, because not a lot of people are saying, you know what, take half your paycheck, you know, pay your rent, and then invest in yourself. And that's a scary thing for people to do instead of just...
Scary thing for people to do, and I think you brought up an awesome, very, very good point. So let's say they have the motivation to do that. It is terrifying when you don't know who to go to for those resources and for that help. I've known quite a few, specifically one woman, but multiple, that have trusted someone to create a website for them. They invested thousands of dollars, and these women work very, very hard, and they didn't get shit for it. So it is scary. So I think like what you're doing by putting your content out there and then putting good collaborators, good people, because this is what I always say, I like to work with people that are good people, but also very good at what they do. I want both. I'm greedy and I want both.
No, I think that's the only way you should work.
And that's why there's somebody like you who's an innovator and a pioneer with everything that you're doing. You can vouch for these content creators or for what, and say, no, this person is worth what you're going to pay. They're going to do what they say they're going to do because I've worked with them. I can back it. I think women need more of a stream of information with individuals like yourself that have accomplished so much in that realm, because it is scary. They're like, this is the $1,000 I have. How do I know if Billy Joe Bob is going to do what he said he's going to do? And sometimes people get screwed. So I think it's knowing where do I go to know what resources are legit or not.